Hello friends, welcome back to the day 2 and today I'm gonna make this embroidery pattern into the final piece here. So if you are new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to never miss any video update. So let's begin. I'm using these three strands. And we'll just embroider the outline of the turtle face using the stem stitch like this. I'm making short stitches close enough and in a line. Today is day 2 of my embroidery challenge of 30 days. So if you want to watch the day 1 video, you can just click the link in the I button there, or it will be showing above right now, and you can switch to that video even after this video completes. Simply just tracing that line and embroidering it with the thread here like this. So this is quite done. Just finishing his corner. And putting the needle down to end it. This time to complete his legs. I'm not completing the nails part right now with the outline thing. And rest is done. Now it's time to complete his eyes. For that I'm making just a simple cross stitch and making bigger cross from here, filling those side parts. If you're enjoying this video with me right now, make sure you like this video and also make sure that to share with your friends or anyone who you think would be interested in learning these tips and tricks for embroidering. So just completing the eye part with the finish part over here, the short stitch. And now let's make his nose. I'm simply using that same stem stitch, or you can say it outline stitch, and just make sure your threads are straight. Pull your needle tight but not too tight, otherwise the fabric may pucker. So we are done with his face, and now it's time to move on to his shell. Simply using the 6 strands right now and making a satin stitch to fill it up. I'm using this dark rusty brown color to make the outer areas of the shell, and will use another color for the inside blocks to give it a nice pattern. Simply pull your needle from one side and push it into another side to complete the area. Fill it up with the threads closely enough so that none of the fabric may look from inside. So here it is, once done with that same thread all over the place, and just completing the edge again with the same satin stitch, and just in this one rhythm. I hope you guys are getting clear on it, and you can use this tiny pattern for anywhere, embroidering on your either t-shirts or any of the fabric part, even in the pockets. It's too cute to have it. So just completing his outer shell over here. And now it's time to complete the inside part. For that I'm using very light tone of this beige type color, and this time I'm making not the vertical ones but in a horizontal way. Just completing it horizontally for the outer sides, and you can use the vertical stitches also if that looks good for you. I can say that the for filling part, the 6 strands looks great, but if you want some very detailed things to be done, you should use less than that. Like 6, instead of 6, just use 3 or even 2 strands for more detailed looks. So with this, it's now time for the snail, the tiny friend of the turtle, and I'm using another color and again the same satin stitch. Here, starting here and just making it in a whirl manner so that it continues its continuity, and just fill it up the whole shell part. And just simply completing his border part first of all with the back stitch like this. And now I will fill it up inside. Yes, it's done. Thanks for being with me till now, and make sure you hit the subscribe button to make sure you never miss the video update.